Hi, today I am going to tell you a topic that might open your mind to travel in the spiritual realm. It's the astral projection. Our ancestors, shamans, have been practicing this technique for over millions of years to explore the spiritual realm. Astral projection is a powerful technique that anybody can achieve. But many people don't know this technique. In astral projection, your consciousness will leave your body and can travel anywhere in the world. During astral projection, you will be able to see your body sleeping, while you are out of your body. Yes, I know it's hard to believe, but famous actors and celebrities have admitted that they do astral projection. During astral projection, you can control your consciousness to travel all over the world and even to space. Some say that you will experience the most peacefulness in your soul. Even if you are an atheist, astral projection will completely change your perspective towards the world. To perform astral projection, you will need strong determination, that's all. The best time for astral projection is morning time, after you have slept. Because, when you do this technique at night, you will be tired and you will fall asleep while practicing this technique. Start off by lying on bed without any pressure over your body or even over your eyebrows. Just breathe slowly. Close your eyes and try to move your hand not physically but mentally. Just imagine moving your hand using your mind. Then slowly try to lift your legs, body, head with your mind. Don't move any of your body parts physically. Just try this, until you are able to control your body and your mind, and then imagine a rope. Try to pull the rope with your hand. Try to lift your body with your mind. Your body will feel vibrations. Don't freak out. Just try to maintain peace within yourself. Now you will feel the vibrations heavier and suddenly you will feel that you are flying. Now you will see your body sleeping in the bed. Congratulations, you have successfully done astral projection. Now explore the astral realm with your soul. The astral world will have a blue tint. Every colors in the world will be more vivid. You can always return to your body. There are no dangers. Please try out astral projection and tell us in the comments about your experience. You can tell me about topics in the comments that you want me to explain in another video. I hope that you really be thrilled watching this video. Please do share this video, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll come again with another interesting video. Thank you for watching this video.